Namaste, my name is Jayashree Nityanand. On behalf of Guru Srimati Poonam Mahesh, Nityanand family and Tirunavakarsa family, we invite you for our Arangetram performance. It's a culmination of years of our training. Request you to be there to witness our passion and love for the art. Looking forward to see you all.
Hi, my name is Karti. Looking forward to see you all in the performances on August 8th, 2026. It's going to be in Buffalo Grove Artistics Performing Arts Center, and the seating starts at 2:45. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you. Please do come and watch. Thank you so much. Thank you.